Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to create custom app in Salesforce Lightning Experience. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to create global weekly set value in Salesforce Lightning. So follow these steps to create new global set value in Salesforce Lightning. First, go to the setup page of Salesforce. Then search peak list value set on quick find search box. Then click on new to create a new global peak list value in Salesforce Lightning. So this is the screenshot of the Salesforce where you will be find the global list value in Salesforce Lightning. First, go to the setup. Then in the search box, you need to search peak list. Then you will be get peak list value set. Click here and there is a button new to create a new global set peak list value. So friends, before jump to my Salesforce org, let me explain why we are creating global peak list set value in Salesforce. So if you are creating pick list field on different of objects and those fields having same value, so instead of the typing of value again and again, you can create a global pick list value and you can use that in those objects by creating pick list. So now let me jump to my Salesforce or to create a live demo scenario how to create global pick list value in Salesforce Lightning. This is my Salesforce credential or go to the setup, click here. This is a quick find search box, search pick list. This is a pick list global set. Click here. There is a new button to create a new global pick list set value. Write the name of the label. So here I am creating a country global pick list value because country global pick list value uses different of the object. So if I am creating global pick list value of country, this global pick list value of country will be used different of the object. Write the name of the global pick list value. I am writing the name of the label country. And here you write the name of the country, that is a pick list value option. So here I am writing the name of the country. So first name is Australia, Argentina, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Nepal, and United States. So I put the pick list value option. These are the country name. And here is the checkbox display value alphabetically. If you check this checkbox, this pick list value will be ordering as a alphabetical and use first value as a default. So which value we want to display as a by default, then check this checkbox. Now I am leave as it is by default. Now save. So I created one global pick list value here. Here you can find the name of the label is a country and this is a value. So there are, in this value there are three options: edit, del, and deactive. If you edit this pick list value, click here and edit from here. If you want to delete some of the pick list value from pick list option, then click on the del. And if you want to deactive this pick list value, then click on deactive. So there is a inactive value and this is a field where used. So here we will display this pick list value where you are used and inactive. If you click on deactive pick list value, this value will be displayed inside the inactive section. And if you inactive the picklist value. This value will be not display if you creating on the record of object. So there is a option reorder. If you want to reorder this picklist value, then click on the reorder, and here you want to reorder name of the value, go up and go down. So select the name of the value and go up and go down. So from here you can reorder your picklist value. And if you want to replace some of the picklist value, click here, write the name of the new value and select option. Suppose I am selecting United States, and here I am writing United States of America. Then it will replace from United States to United States of America. So here you can replace the existing value from new. And here you can find printable view. If you want to copy all of the picklist value, so click on the printable view, and here you can select and copy the picklist value. So here I am creating one picklist set value. Now let me go my Salesforce object, and where I will check this picklist value display or not. So to display this global picklist value on the particular object, you need to create a picklist value where we assign this global picklist value into the custom field. So let me go to the object manager, and there is a custom object TechW3 Web. Quick find option, search TechW3 Web. This is my custom object TechW3 Web. Go to the field and relationship. Here there is no country field created. So I created new picklist value. So here there is a picklist option. Select picklist and go new. Write the name of the field level. So here I am writing the my country, and use global picklist value set. So if you selecting use this global picklist value set, here will be you get the global picklist set value. If you click this radio button, you will be define the your picklist value manual here. So now in this example, I am creating a global picklist set value. So I am selecting this one, and here will be display my global picklist value automatically. So I am selecting country that is created right now, and go next. This is this in the left hand side there is a profile. So I am selecting visible all. So this picklist value will be displayed for all of the profile. Go next and save. I created one picklist value. Now I am creating one multiple picklist value. Click new. Right now I am selecting multiple picklist value. So select this one, picklist multiple select value. So here in this multiple select option, we will be select multiple picklist value whenever I am creating a record. Go next. Write the name of the field level. Multiple select country. Multiple select country. I am writing the name, and here I am choosing the my country name, that is a global picklist value, and next. visual for all of the profile, and go next and save. So here I created two fields, that is both are the custom field. First field is my country and second field is multiple select country. So in this my country, I created a normal pick list value where we can select only one option, and in the multiple pick list value where we can select multiple option. Now let me go my app. So app launcher, in the app launcher, select your application. So I am selecting my personal app that is created Vijay Tech School. This is my app. Go to the Tech W3 web where I created both of the field. In this object, there is one record available. Click here, and here you can find my country and multiple select country. Both are visible here. If you editing this record, you can see my country. This is my pick list value that is coming from global set of pick list value, and this is a multi-select country. This is also coming from global pick list value. So here is the option, select multiple option and click on the right icon. And here you can select one pick list value. Suppose I am selecting India. This is my pick list value and save. So friends, if you creating a new record, both of field is also available. So now create a new record. To create a new record, select this arrow, and here is the option to create a new record. Write the name Ram, country name India. There is a multiple pick list value. Select two country, France and Germany. I am selecting active, yes, city, Noida, and save. So I created a record. So before it is a one record, now you can find that is a two record. If you go to the all, you will be get all of the fields name, city, active, and description. If you want to display only name, not take W3 wave, go to the object. In the object manager, find your object. Go to the field and relationship. Here you will find the name. Here is the option to edit. Here I removing take W3 wave and save. Now go to the page and refresh. And here you can find only name is display, not take W3 wave. So friends, try to create global pick list set value in your personal org. If you getting anything of issue to create a global pick list set value in a Lightning experience, please write in comment box. To find my YouTube channel, go to the YouTube. In the search box, search Take W3 Wave. Here you will be get all of my video of my Salesforce tutorial. Here you will be get Aura Lightning Visual Force page and Lightning Flow Builder. Here I created so many video as real-time scenario that is working in my office. So search Take W3 Wave and get related video in this channel. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.